Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to JustReachOut for cold outreach research and messaging, complete guide step by step clearly. Once you're on the home page, look for the sign up button. Click on the sign up button to start the registration process. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password and enter it in the appropriate box. Next, you may be prompted to confirm your password. After that, provide any additional information required, such as your name and company details. Once all required fields are filled, review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree to the terms, check the box to indicate your acceptance. Click on the Create Account or Sign Up button to proceed. You may receive a confirmation email in your inbox shortly after. Open the confirmation email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you to the JustReachOut platform. Log in using the email and password you just created. After logging in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features. To access cold outreach research, navigate to the appropriate section in the menu. Follow the prompts to enter your outreach criteria. Once you've set your parameters, click on the search button to view results. Review the research data to identify potential contacts. You can save relevant contacts or messages for later use. To start messaging, select a contact and choose your preferred outreach method. Personalize your message based on the research you've conducted. When satisfied with your outreach message, send it out directly. Monitor your inbox for any responses to your outreach efforts. Continue refining your approach based on received feedback. This process will optimize your cold outreach strategy effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.